We're going to Hong Kong mid-level escalator. Ito yung sinasabi nilang pinaka mahabang escalator dito. Around 800 meters. It's going straight to mid-level. Ano pala siya? Ano to? Parking. Alright. Nakakyatin natin. Yeah, there's no other way pauwi. Let's go. Yeah. Kami dito sa hagdan. Along ano to, Conduit Road. Ang tataas ng hagdan. We're passing through Gleanally School. Oh my God, nasa na yung tatlo. Ang hirap. Ang tarik ng kalsada, guys. Yan, nagpapass by kami sa mga magagandang building dito. Ang gaganda ng mga building dito. This is part of mid-level. Ang dadaanan. Papunta sa taas. Ayan o, ang gaganda ng mga buildings dito. Nadadaanan namin compared dun sa mga hinahike namin.
Welcome to the road of Mayam.
Ayan. Ayan. Yeah, 30 minutes onto the top. Pero yung winok natin doon, ilang minutes na. Ito na yung City of Victoria Boundary Road. Stone. Old Peak Road. Because before, ito yung tinawag nilang Victoria City. Kaya may Victoria Harbor. Ayun ang top. Kala nyo, flat yung road. Ang tarik. Along Plantation Road, may dito na kami aakyat sa Find P. It's a P. Nag-start kami doon ng 10:30 sa very start ng escalator. And then 12, andito na kami sa taas. Nasa taas yung view deck ng peak. Hong Kong Island. Central IFC. Yeah, ito yung peak tower. Akyat dyan, nandun yung viewing deck. Yung paakyat sa viewing deck, may bayad ba yun? Hindi ko kasi maalala last time. Ay, oo nga pala. Binayaran kami. Oo, may bayad siya doon. Kasi may telescope. So, dito lang kami. Ayan. Ito yung entrance ng Peak Tram. Andito, Peak Galleria. Candelicious. Alright. Daming tao dito sa beach.
Nagpahinga sila doon.
Daming tao. naghahanap kami ng park na kakainan. Ikutin muna namin. Ako kami bababa later. Ito yung pupunta sa Longfushan Country. Longfushan Country Park. 45 minutes. Yeah. Punta kami ng High West.
High West.
Just follow the arrow.
Akit pa tayo, tapos babalik ulit tayo.
Babalik ulit tayo for ano dito. Yep. Yan, nandito na rin lang naman kami. Pupunta na kami kung saan po pwedeng ma-hike. Parang one stone in many birds. Start of the this spot is going to the High West view.
Doon pa pala sa taas pakikita.
Yes, 360
Sa taas?
view. And we're still heading up. Okay, so ang taas niya, oh my God, as in laylay dila to the max. Ito na yung end niya. Dito na yung pinaka-view. Alright, but it's so hot. Oh my God, it's really nice here. Oh my God. Ang ganda niya. Yahoo! Okay. Umpisa natin doon. Na-reach namin tong ano nila, splinter-proof bunker, anti-aircraft gun battery. Oh, so ito yung mga taguan nila, mga soldiers dati. Ito oh. Yeah, here. And there's a lot more here. Dito oh may ano. Okay, ito mga ganito sila oh. Ayan. Okay. So yan. Right. Malawak siya oh. Number 1, Pinewood Bungalow. Number 1, gun platform, battery command post, coastal gun battery and magazine command post, anti-aircraft gun battery. Number 2, gun platform, observation post, latrine, splinter-proof bunker, war shelters. Pinewood Battery during the Battle of Hong Kong, 1941. Ang ganda dito. Pinewood Battery Heritage Trail. This place is historical. Ay, ang use nito sa tingin nyo? Ilalim nito yung mga bunker nila. Okay. Imagine they preserved this since 1941. Kasi ang daming lamok. Gun platform. Ito naman. Gun platform. Anti-aircraft gun battery. Ito. Oh, ganun yan. Observation post. Kaya mataas. Baba na kami. Dito kami dadaan sa Pokfulam Reservoir. Going down to the reservoir. Going to Pokfulam Reservoir. Way down. It's so steep. Kung dito dadaan paakyat, your dila will be onto the ground. Okay. Going to left is Pokfulam Reservoir. So we're heading to Pokfulam Reservoir. So puro ganito naman yung nilalakaran namin. Kawayanan. Ano siya, napaka shady. Nasa gilid ng bundok. Bangin on my right side. Mountain here on the left. And me in the middle. Yeah. That's cemetery. Akala namin mga bahay na maliliit pa, kaya sobrang taas pa namin, yung pala cemetery. Yeah, look at that. Meron siyang cross there. Okay. Let's keep going. All the way up there. I'm not sure whether that's the High West we went earlier. I don't know. Anyway. Oh my God. Ano kayang nasa ilalim niyan? Ano siya? Garden? What? Andito na kami. Malapit na. Kita nyo yan? Doon kami nanggaling. Ayan yung peak ng High West. Ayan, may mga tao. Ayan. The peak, Shifu. This is where we were. We're going home. Beach. Andito na kami. Ayun, sa likuran ko yung hinike namin. Galing sa peak, papunta ng Fulam. Reach the main road. Hanapin na namin kung saan yung transportation papunta, kung saan kami. Asaya here. Fulam road. See? Bye! Thank you!